So we don't add 80% of 106. No, it's 80% of 532. You don't understand that an 80% increase of 106 is 532. You don't understand it. You don't get it. And I understand that you don't get it and you don't understand it. What I don't understand is why in the hell aren't you trying? Why not just use a calculator and take 532 and subtract 80% and see what number you get? And whatever number you get, that's an 80% increase from that number. I'll say it one more time. Take 532 minus 80%. What are we trying to get? An 80% increase. So take 80% from, and this is very important. I want to say that not to him, but I want to say this to everybody else. I'm not good at math. And my teacher, my economics teacher said, don't stop saying that. Don't talk like that. Really? No, because all you have to do is figure out the formula and you're going to be all right. But for the sake of this discussion, I'm not good at math. So when I found out from the Drudge Report that 532 murders was an 80% increase, he hung up. So the only way, I'm being honest with you, the only way I was able to get it right was when I subtracted 80% from 532. I did exactly what they're doing. And I kept getting that same wrong ass number. But I knew that number was wrong because they kept saying that 532 murders in 20 and 12. So the number was 532. So I had to subtract 532, 80% from 532, and that gave me 106. That's how I knew that that was an 80% increase. I did the same thing with the number 10. Really? Yeah. Just go to the number 50 and then subtract 80%. So you understand what I'm saying? Whatever the number is, but I'm saying that when you subtract 80% from the number, right, that's going to tell you what an 80% increase is. It doesn't work the other way. If you add 80% of a number, you're not adding 80% onto 106, really? No, you're taking 80% of 106, which ain't no adding. It's a subtraction because it's 84. So you can't do that, but you can subtract 80% from 532 and get 106. And now you know that an 80% increase is 80%. Is 106 plus 425, because that's the only number that equals 532.